Hello everyone! How can diversifying your funds help them grow on iuvo? Diversification is an inseparable part of the experienced investor strategy. It helps in achieving the targeted profit and it can increase the stability. Regardless of the type of investment you choose, it is important to diversify in order to spread the risk. Today we will discuss your possibility to diversify on iuvo and what is important to know before you create your own strategy. iuvo Group provides you with different opportunities for diversification and you are the one that chooses how to combine them. Here are some ways how to spread the risk when investing with us. First and foremost, invest in more originators. As you know, the risk with the modern peer-to-peer business model is with the credit companies that grant the loans. We apply the strictest practices for adding new loan originators and for their monitoring in order to minimize the risk. However, there is always risk, which is why it is important to diversify. 4 of the credit companies we work with are part of Management Financial Group, MFG, the holding that iuvo is part of. The companies are Easy Credit, iCredit Romania, iCredit Poland, and Viva Credit. The rest of the originators we actively work with also provide you with great opportunities for investing. The loans are mostly personal loans, some of them with a unique lending model. There are some business and mortgage loans. The loans have different maturity and borrower score class. The profit you can receive starts from 5% on annual basis and goes up to 20%, depending on the loans that you choose to be part of your strategy. Keep in mind that the loan originators offer you different interest rate for the different segment of their borrowers. This means that you can diversify with the different score classes as well. You can invest in most or all of them in order to have a balanced portfolio of loans. On iuvo, you can invest in 5 different currencies: Euro, Bulgarian levs, Romanian lei, Polish zloty, and Russian rubles. The main part of the loans is in Euro. There is also a good amount of loans in Bulgarian levs. As you may know, the Bulgarian lev is fixed to the Euro with a currency board, which decreases the currency risk and increases your possibilities. The rest of the currencies can help you diversify, but it is important to know that they are volatile and their exchange rate can change. You should consider their rate at the moment and keep in mind that it can change in the future. Investing in different currencies is fast and convenient thanks to our real-time currency exchange tool. All you need is just a couple of clicks. You see the exchange rate and what the amount would be in the other currency before you choose to continue and confirm the transaction. All the needed information is out there for you to use. You can also contact your account manager and our team via phone, email, or live chat. What is your next step?